It's pretty nice just being able to walk in and like everything else just kind of goes away and you're just basically hanging out with a bunch of your friends. It seems like doing work. Mikhail Stafford, I'm an installer. Everyone here is helping each other out. Rick, the owner, he's pretty amazing to work for. He's there in the morning before you are. He's already looked over your job, and just it's very nice actually having people around like the owner. You usually don't see an owner in the bigger company. They just kind of sit up in their office, but Rick is pretty hands-on. He likes to be out there once in a while. I had no knowledge of really HVAC before I joined. All I knew was to turn it on heat, cool, and turn the temperature up and down. When I actually started like learning it and understanding it, I could go home and look at my own, and if there was a simple problem or any problem really, I could try to fix it myself. Otherwise, like I said, I could always call one of the guys and they're always there for me. It's kind of like we're just a big family. It seems like everyone's there for each other, just having a good time even though we're at work.